Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here to learn another one lesson, okay? That is about usage of phrasal verbs in our day-to-day life. And in that part, I have selected some phrasal verbs which are used in business English, okay? So you may ask, what is phrasal verb? Phrasal verbs are things which are used in spoken English, okay? In countries like USA or some other abroad countries, no? That time they'll be using so many phrasal verbs instead of using the normal slang, okay? So we are going to learn little bit of phrasal verbs in today's lesson, okay? And in our spoken English classes, or while we are talking in spoken English, or while we are talking English, we might have come across many phrasal verbs, okay? Without our knowledge, we are using many phrasal verbs in our day-to-day life. For example, sit down, stand up, get up, come here. So like those things. So let us get into the lesson to learn more about these topics. Okay. First word is branch out. Branch out is like expand or extend one's interest. Okay. If you want to expand or extend your interest or extend your business or extend your ideas, you can use the phrasal verb branch out. Our business has branched out into computers now. Okay, our business have branched out into computers now. It means that you have branched out your business into computers. Already you are having some other business. Now you are branching out into computers. Okay. And the second one is break into. Break into means entering one's room or entering a conversation or entering a meeting without one's permission. Okay. See, interrupt the conversation. Phillips broke into the discussion. Broke into means without their permission. The people who are discussing, he has entered into the discussion. And here you can take it in another sentence also, that is he broke into a run and we couldn't catch him. Actually he ran very fastly. He broke in and then he ran fastly. They couldn't catch him. Okay. And the third one is carry on. Carry on means continue. When someone is eating, we are disturbing them, we say carry on. When someone is talking, when we go, they stop, you say carry on. So carry on means continue. To continue moving. Carry on until you get to the junction, then turn left. While they're telling direction, we tell go straight, take left, like that you used to tell. Instead of that, you can tell carry on until you get to the junction. Until you reach the junction, you have to go straight, then turn left. Okay? And why in business slang, you can use it like to argue or complain noisily. Okay? He was shouting and carrying on, means he didn't stop talking. Okay? He was continuously talking. And you can tell another one sentence also. Please carry on the meeting. Like that you can tell. Okay. The fourth one is close down. Close down means stop operating. Okay. Their intention is to close down the factory. It means that they want to, or they plan to, or their motto is to close down the factory. Hotels are closing down all over the country. It means that they are closing the hotels all over the country. Close down all the programs that are running before you install the software. Before you have to install the software, you have to close down all the operations of the computer. The company has been closed down for more than 1 year. Your office closed down due to bank corruption. Okay, you can tell corruption also, bank corruption. Okay, these are some examples of closed down. And the next one is look forward to. Look forward to means you are looking forward something or anticipating with pleasure or expecting something or waiting for something that is going to happen in the future. I look forward to your response. So you are writing some letter or something, whether it is formal or informal. So you want a reply from the opposite person. That time you can tell I look forward to your response. It means that you are waiting for their response. Okay. I'm eagerly waiting for your reaction or response. Are you looking for forward to your vacation? So are you waiting for your vacation, like that you can ask. And also you can tell, are you looking forward? Are you looking forward to your promotion. So it means that you are looking forward towards your promotion. It is clearly understood. Okay, fine. So thank you for watching this channel and my video. Keep watching all the playlists which I'm posting in my page. Okay, and subscribe, share it, and comment it if you have some doubts. You are most welcome to tell the feedbacks which is needed to be improved. So I'll be posting some more phrasal verbs also, which is very useful for us in our day-to-day life. Thank you for watching my channel. Take care. Bye bye.